Okay, shall I do it? Today I'm house ridden. I'm stuck in the house because we're waiting for a parcel to be delivered. And it's pretty much the last day of sun for like at least a week. But if I look a bit sunburnt, that's because I spent a full weekend of pretty much just snorkeling. And on Sunday I didn't make a video. However, I did have my GoPro with me. So we met up with some of Kate's friends and we went to a beach called Perranuthnoe. Now if I'm pronouncing that wrong, I apologise. The plan is I'm going to go back there and make a proper video of the beach because the beach is absolutely fantastic. And one of my subscribers has been talking about it for so long, saying how good the snorkeling is there. And Nigel, you were absolutely right. So I did go snorkeling with my friend Josh. I did make a sort of short little video and I wasn't going to put it on YouTube, but I've just looked back on the footage and it looks absolutely beautiful watching it back. So I thought I'd share it with you. So this is last Sunday at Perranuthnoe Beach. Don't worry, we didn't interfere with the lobster pots. We were just having a look. Just being nosy. All right, back to the video. As you can see, it was crystal clear, and we found some crabs, and there were lobster pots out as well, which is great. But me and Josh, being boys, we weren't happy. We were just sort of snorkeling around, so we found this rock that we could climb up on, and then we could literally jump into the water. So there was no way we weren't going to do that.
Up you go then. How's it feel on your feet? Where'd you jump from? Here? What, this black bit? Yeah. I'm not good with heights. Huh? Okay. Okay, shall I do it?
But yeah, that was it. As I said, there's no way I'm not going to make a proper video of this place. And obviously, with the weekend as well, not being able to fly drones, I'd really like to get some nice sort of drone shots around there. And it's literally just around the corner from St Michael's Mount, and I'll do a proper video on it. But yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to love Sundays, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.